You know what today is? It's Chris's Italian kitchen.
Wow, it was about time.
Of course not. It's Chris and Edmi's kitchen. We're going to do a quickie. Ready for a quickie? We're going to do a quickie.
We always say it's quickie, but it's never quickie.
This-
So we hope, because I'm starving.
This was going to be a quickie. And what we're doing today is there's a dish that I've had many times, even out in restaurants, Italian restaurants. It's usually sausage with broccoli rabe and orecchiette, like the little ear pasta. Or, how do we say it?
Orecchiette.
Orecchiette? Orecchiette? I'm supposed to be the Italian one. Anyway, but...
I won't say anything because then he says, oh, you annoy me.
I would never say that. Not here, anyway. No, but basically what the issue today is, and we're mixing it up and putting a little extra slant on this, if you will. We didn't have broccoli rabe. Neither one of us wanted to go to the store to get broccoli rabe. And you're not a big fan of broccoli rabe.
No, but we have a lot of basil that we need to use before it goes bad.
Growing on the
in our
rooftop.
garden.
Yes, the rooftop garden. But what we're going to do is, instead of having broccoli rabe as the green, which is really kind of a bitter green, we're going to make a pesto. And we're going to put the pesto with the sausage, with the orecchiette.
Well, I've never seen, and I don't know, but I'm not I'm like a specialist on Italian food, but do they mix pesto with meat? Like I've never seen it.
I don't
If
know.
we
We're going to
haven't
find
seen it,
out.
We're going to see how it goes.
Well, I'm not purely Italian, so I guess I could take liberties. My Italian friends, if this offends you in any way, I'm terribly sorry. But what we're going to do is start with some...
If it's good, we don't care. We
some,
enjoy it.
Exactly. All that matters is that, to me, sausage, pesto, I don't know, pasta, sounds okay to me. I don't see a problem.
Exactly.
But what we're going to do is heat up a little olive oil. These were 5 Italian sweet sausage I took out of their casing. Because I want instead of having solid pieces of sausage in this dish, you sort of
I like it better like that.
Yeah, it's almost like just kind of a...
It feels
round
your
up.
mouth. Yes, I don't know why.
And right, and each bite gets a little bit of
A little bit of
sausage,
everything.
some pesto, and some pasta.
Everything makes better.
But I felt that with this dish, probably a sweet sausage would go a little bit better. So we're going to brown these up.
And it's probably what we had in the fridge, so that's what we're going to use. Yes. Okay.
But anyway, so we're going to brown this up.
I'm going to say that the pasta, we already boiled it because we wanted to just make it a little faster. Let's start with the pesto. Bing!
We're in a hurry. We are in a hurry. All right, let's get over to the pesto. We've got the Ninja, by the way. I got the Ninja. I don't use the Ninja very often.
4 cups, approximately 4 cups of basil.
3.5 to 4 cups, I guess.
Wait, I left a stem here. I just don't like to...
Don't worry, the Ninja will take care of the stems.
I know, but
Should be about 1/3 cup of pine nuts. If you like that flavor, you can add a little bit more. If you don't like it, add a little bit less. Some recipes I saw, you can put walnuts.
I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon zest, just because it's flavorful.
Because you're so zesty.
And I like it.
Full of zest.
We're
That'll
going
be
to
a nice little
add
balance in there, though, too.
3 garlic cloves.
No. I want more.
You want more?
Oh, I went for 5 garlic cloves.
Oh, God.
And by the way, no.
These are strong.
But these are good garlic cloves. Like when it comes to garlic, I have to be honest. Size matters. I mean,
Well, that's true.
Look at these cloves, right? And now look at this thing. What are you gonna do with this? We've been getting a lot of heads of garlic actually.
In they go anyway.
Okay, I'm gonna throw that in. I like it garlicky, so that's why I'm gonna put in 5. 1/3 cup of Parmesan.
I'm going to just
Cheese,
put a
grated
little bit
already.
now, and then
And then we're gonna add it as we go along. Okay.
And
A little olive oil, maybe for lubrication purposes to start.
Lubrication.
Okay.
How you love that word.
We have a ton. What?
Oh, are you embarrassed?
We have a cup of olive oil, but we only put in probably not even a 1/4 cup.
Be ready, people.
The sausage are cooking. The sausage are cooking. Volare. Whoa! What are you doing?
Putting olive oil.
So as we're going along, you're adding olive oil.
A little bit of salt.
Salt and pepper to taste.
Your taste.
But I realize it is salt
Well,
and pepper to taste.
Yeah, because it's up to whatever you like.
Well, the
Nothing
dropping's
happened,
back.
nothing happened.
You were like Cal Ripken for a while. You had gone, I don't know how many consecutive shows without actually dropping anything, but the first lid. At least it's not food. A plastic lid, that's replaceable.
That doesn't matter.
Ready? Hit it! kitchen. That would be nice. You always wanted a green kitchen, right?
No.
You had an aunt who had a green kitchen.
Because I like, yes, my Titi Gloria. But everything in that kitchen was green.
Yeah.
Everything.
The telephone, the refrigerator, the stove. Were the cabinets green?
Yeah. It was
Welcome to the jungle.
that avocado green from the 70s.
Yeah.
That's, you know.
Okay, sausage is done. Pasta's been strained. We left a little bit of the pasta water in there, but throw everything in here. Out of the sausage, whatever little drippings adds to the flavor, adds to the moisture. We're gonna mix that in like that, nicey nice. Okay, so we have our ninja pesto. We've got the sausage in.
From our garden.
From the garden. We have the sausage in with the pasta. And now add everything together. Oh.
Wow, you really went pesto-y there.
This is looking good, girlfriend.
I'm gonna steer here because
Steer?
I just don't
Steer that up.
talk about it.
Steer it up. Nothing like that squishy sound of pasta with some kind of sauce over it.
I think we're ready to eat.
We're gonna roll on this one. Let's see if we've really been very risque going for the pesto with sausage combination.
I'm gonna eat it anyway because it looks good.
I kind of figured. Let's find out. That was fast. You weren't kidding.
I know.
Okay. So it's not sausage broccoli rabe with orecchiette, but it is in a basil sauce. So we made a really quick basil sauce with the sausage. And I haven't had pesto sauce
In a while.
in a long time, so it's kind of nice. And it is something that, as we hit the fall season too, seems to sort of make sense. It's got that kind of with the nuttiness of the pine nuts.
There.
Never waste basil.
Never. The precious thing.
I will take 1 or 2 leaves and put them behind each ear when I go out on a Saturday night. When we used to go out on Saturday nights, but we don't do that anymore.
I understand.
Real quickly, again, we've tried before. I know some of you have tried these recipes, the various recipes we've done. We'd love to hear back from you how they went. We'd love to see pictures.
We already
or
started
video
receiving pictures.
from
the poblano peppers that my friend Mike did it.
That was the first set of pictures we had. But we're going to put here again at the bottom of the screen the email address, chrisandedmyskitchen@gmail.com. And you can send us any links there, any questions, any thoughts, any suggestions, other than, you know, go jump off or something. But any suggestions in terms of recipes you'd like to see or style of food you'd like to see.
No fresh stuff.
A little bit. Send that to mine. That'd be nice. But anyway, with that being said, we're going to eat. We're very hungry.
Have you ever heard us say, oh, we're not that hungry. We're always...
Kind of happen. With that personal note added in, let us leave and say, tell me you're going to spit something out again. Here it comes. That never happens. She never does that. Never. Never.
It's hard. I cannot use it. I'm sorry.
Why do you find that every time? It's like finding like the Cracker Jack. She finds the toy in the food every time. Only it's not a toy, it's something she has to spit out. Anyway, with that, please wish me luck.
Again. I'm sorry.
Buen provecho. Buen provecho. Stay safe, stay well. I don't know. Maybe we'll see you next time. Wait, what is that? Oh, I've got a toenail in my wine.